Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. So someone sent me food today, and it's from Niña, LAMAW and Siomai by Janelle and Jane Chu. Thank you so much for our sponsors today for sharing all of their sets. These are actually products from their Siomai and LAMAW house. So, muna siya ang niabot through LAMAW. So, cute kayo ang ilahang pouch, guys, na apagi sticker na thank you for your order and a special message for us. Okay. So, Miss Margrette, thank you for taking time vlogging about our food. Enjoy all 4 sets of our LAMAW. More power to you. Niña's LAMAW, Siomai Food Corner. Niña's LAMAW and Siomai Food Corner. Okay, so let's open this now. Okay, so this is set A. This is how set A looks like. So, if you can see, so it has chicharron, 3 pieces of siomai with sauce, and then hard-boiled egg cuts, right? So, and there's also rice at the bottom. Okay, so this is set A, and this is 65 pesos. All of their sets are 65 pesos, guys. So, mura, presyo. Niña's LAMAW and Siomai Food Corner. Thank you for ordering, and there's a cell phone number on the sticker. Next set B. So this is set B, and it consists of 2 lumpia Shanghai, and then there's 1 piece siomai here, and then the hard-boiled egg cuts, chicharron, and stale rice at the bottom. That is set B. For set C, moni ang set C, guys. Tulo ka buok lumpia Shanghai, and then the eggs, and then the chicharron. So kaning set C wala siya siomai, but of course still have the rice down there. And then lastly, set D. Set D, so naa siya duha ka siomai, usa ka lumpia Shanghai, egg cuts, hard-boiled egg cuts, and the chicharron and the rice down below. Okay, so those are all the sets of Niña's, LAMAW, and Siomai Corner. Kani tagsa-tagsa ani 65 pesos ra ni. So sulit kayo, guys. Oh, naana kay kanon, naana kay protein from eggs, and then naana po kay viand na lumpia Shanghai, or if ganahan kag siomai lang puro na apod sila, guys. So grabe, daghan silang variant. So, and don't forget, whenever you purchase a LAMAW from them, proceeds actually go to their friend na COVID patient. So, whenever you buy a LAMAW, the 65 pesos you pay, part of those go to the treatment of their friend who is suffering COVID right now. So, grabe, it's LAMAW for a cause. Nalimbaut akong balibo. So guys, I encourage you to buy from them. 65 is not expensive at all. And to think na ay chicharon, na itlog, na Shanghai, na siomai, na kanon, susulit kayo, guys. And you're also helping not only them as sellers, you're also helping their friend who is suffering right now with COVID-19. So I really urge you guys to buy maski usa lang. If you're on a budget, just buy one, and it can already help their friend and their business. So let's go ahead and taste the products now. Alright, so of course I will be sharing these products to my family. I will just try each viand on asa may kompleto ani. I think set B and set D, kompleto siya. Naana siya lumpia Shanghai. So please don't mind the background noise. Ang akong iro kasi sig hangak. And then siomai and egg. So I'll try this one. Set B nila. So this is freshly made from their kitchen. Of course, when you order, diha pa himuon ang produkto. So di mo makatilaw og bahaw, guys. Everything is freshly made. So tilawan to ni. So gunaban ha ang mairo silingan. Their siomai is spicy. And I think di na crispy. Ang chicharon, of course, it was placed on top of rice na initan na puto siya. So, don't expect your chicharon to be crispy. Not unless baga kayo ang chicharon na pa siya yung crispiness. So, let's go ahead and taste the lumpia Shanghai. Kagumkum pa ang yung wrapper, guys. And then inside is ang karne, and then thin carrot strips. I'm not sure though if naay potatoes, but mauna siya yung tsura. Okay, so once again, 65 pesos lang ni guys. Makatabang pagid mo sa naintaw. Murag mahurot ko ni Rung sa kaset na kami siya. Familiar ang chicharon niya. Katong dili po siya chicharon sa karkar. Pero may kumupalit aning chicharon na sa San Carlos sa una ka ng baga na dagko ganiyang hiwa. Na may pagka dark brown, golden brown siya. So lami, saktura ang kaparat. Di magot man guys. 65 pesos, busog na mo. Ako sa sapon ha. So if you want to order from Janelle and Jane Chu, please contact Niña, LAMAW, and Siomai Corner through phone number 0966-742-6385. I will type down the number here sa ubos pod. Okay? So thank you so much for watching this video, lovies. I hope you enjoyed watching me eat. But of course, my goal is to help their small business and also help ilang friend na patient karon sa COVID. So it's a friend of their daughter. So the mother of their daughter's friend is suffering from COVID. Yan mo po yung detail. So guys, thank you so much again for watching this video. If you liked it, please do leave a like. And if you have any questions about the product I'm vlogging today, which is Niña's, LAMAW, and Siomai Food Corner, please do leave the questions below in the comments. Or you can order directly and ask questions or inquire from Jane and Janelle Chu. Number again is here below. Okay? So thank you so much again for your support, for always watching my vlogs. I hope to see you next time. Bye, lovies. Do take care and God bless you.